Good afternoon, friends. Today we have see the unit number 4 production drawing. Then after that, in yesterday's lecture, we can see the indication of machining symbol. So today see the some tables of roughness value and the examples. So let's we can see. So let's see the table of surface roughness symbol. So how to draw the table with that value? So firstly the table title is roughness value in micron meter, roughness grade symbol. So how to draw in simplest way the table? So we can see. So let's see. Let's see. So firstly note down n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6, n7, n8, n9, n10, n11 and n12. So firstly draw the value 0.025, convert into 2, 0.05, then point 0.1, point 2, point 0.4, convert into multiply by 2, point 0.8, 1.6, 3.2, 6.3, 12.5, 25 and 50. So the difference created in that region 32, 3.2 into 2, 6.4, but only value is 6.3. So and divide into these into three numbers. So first is a first 3, second 3, last 3, then 2 and last. So 4 triangle, 3 triangle, 2 triangle, 1 triangle and 5. So in this way we can identify the size, roughness value, roughness grade. So similarly n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6, n8, n10, n10, n11, n12, and the value is 0.025, 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, 1.6, 3.2, 6.3, 12.5, 25 and 50. 50 is a fine size and triangle. So in exam ask some questions. So let's see the exam questions. So first questions. State the meaning of symbol. So first is so this is the exam questions. Exam questions. So first symbol, what is the meaning of that symbol? And second, what is the meaning of 3 triangle? So the answer is first symbol. Let's see. First symbol, that is a symbol. So removal of material is not permitted, that is the answer. And second, so answer is removal of material is not permitted. Second, what is the meaning of symbol 3? So let's see the table. So the meaning of symbol is the roughness value grade is N4 to N6 or the roughness value is 0.2 to 0.8. Okay, so this is a required answer. Let's see the another example.